Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going to see a very pretty collection of bridal fancy silk sarees. Beautiful golden zari woven patterns are running all over the body with floral design borders, and this saree is having a rich woven pallu along with a plain running blouse. The material used is very soft in nature and easy to carry. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 1200 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you guys like these collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.